Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is the number 2 yi or loeng? Yi and loeng both mean 2. When we're counting, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we're referring to the amount of items, we use 兩 followed by the measure words. For example, 兩個人, 2 people, or 兩對鞋, 2 pair of shoes. What's the rule for using yi and 兩? For counting and ordinal numbers, we always use yi. Same for 12, 22, 32, and so on. For instance, 第二 second, 二樓 second floor, 32個人 32 people. Also, when referring to things or activities for 2 people, most of the terms use yi, such as 二人世界, romantic couple time, literally 2 people world. 二人套餐, set menu for 2. Or 二人組合, a team of 2, a duo. For most other indications of the amount of 2, we use 兩 點, 2 o'clock, 兩本書, 2 books, 兩個星期, 2 weeks, 兩打, 2 dozen, etc. There are exceptions to the above rules when we're talking about money, and here's where it gets a little confusing. $2 is 兩蚊 and never 二蚊 by itself. $20 is 20蚊 and never 20蚊. And for larger denominations like hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, either 二 or 兩 can be used, except when the number 20, 20 is involved, such as 200,000, 20萬. Note that this is a different counting system. In English, we say 200,000, but in Cantonese, it's literally 20 10,000s. In the lesson note, you'll find a list for your reference. So what does this character mean? Ya. Ya means 20 is interchangeable with 20 in most cases, given that it's followed by another character. For instance, 22 is 22 or 22. 20 people is 20個人 or 20個人. Interestingly, when yi is the last character in certain words, it's pronounced with the second tone instead of the sixth tone. Here are some examples. 尾二, second last, and 18 22, young girls, literally 1822. 18 22, 1822, meaning young girls. How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. 下次見